Well, hello. A little bit different angle today in front of the house. Front of the house today. Anyway, as you saw, it's Green Bin Wednesday. Anyway, I'm out a little early today. I'm just trying to beat the heat and beat the sun. So let's get going. Just doing a little yard cleanup. Family coming on Friday. Well, that ended up being a lot more green bin than I had anticipated, but it's fine. Filled it up, got rid of a bunch of stuff. And for the record, we had a fire last night about 3 miles south of us, so that's why we clean up all this dry grass and stuff like that. It's not that I don't want it to mulch and go back into the universe. It's just that when it's up against the house like this, it's a real fire danger. It just takes a spark. And then after the fire was put out, we had a truck a couple blocks away backfire, and I mean, it sounded like a stick of dynamite going off. It was crazy. So just another reason for fire to begin. Anyway, hope you guys are well. Have a Green Win Wednesday, and talk to you guys later. Take care.